Getting perfectly straight lines during construction or DIY work can be frustrating. Traditional measuring tools take time, and even small mistakes can ruin the final result. That's why laser levels have become essential for professionals and home users alike. They project clear horizontal and vertical lines for fast, accurate alignment. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best laser levels that offer strong green beams, self-leveling technology, and full 360-degree coverage. We researched real user reviews and tool performance to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Now let's get started. Number 5. HILDA 3D 4D 12/16 lines laser level. The HILDA 3D 4D laser level is a versatile measuring tool designed for precision construction and home renovation projects. It features bright green beams with 12 or 16 laser lines, providing full horizontal and vertical coverage for accurate alignment. The 360-degree projection makes it ideal for tiling floors, installing cabinets, wall framing, and interior decoration. Its self-leveling system automatically corrects small angle errors to maintain straight lines. The durable design and simple controls make it easy for beginners and professionals alike. Compact and portable, this laser level offers reliable performance for everyday job site tasks. Number 4. YEVOLT YVGLL 4X S16 Green Laser Level. The YVGLL 4X S16 is a powerful 4-plane laser level that delivers 16 bright green lines for complete 360-degree coverage. Designed for professional accuracy, it projects both horizontal and vertical lines that help with tile installation, wall alignment, ceiling work, and construction layouts. Its self-leveling feature ensures quick setup and consistent precision even on slightly uneven surfaces. The sturdy body is built for tough job sites, while the high-visibility green beam makes lines easy to see indoors. With reliable performance and wide coverage, this laser level is a strong option for serious DIY users and contractors. Number 3. Huepar W04CG 4D 16 lines laser level. The Huepar W04CG is a feature-packed laser level built for advanced precision and convenience. It projects 16 green laser lines in a full 4D layout, providing accurate horizontal and vertical alignment for complex construction tasks. A large LCD screen clearly shows working modes and battery status, while Bluetooth connectivity allows control through a mobile app. The electric rotating base helps adjust angles smoothly for perfect positioning. It also includes a remote control for easy operation from a distance. Ideal for professional builders and serious DIY users, this laser level combines smart technology with reliable performance. Number 2. Pracmanu 12 lines 3D laser level. The Pracmanu 3D laser level is designed for users who need strong performance and reliable accuracy. It features 12 bright green laser lines that create precise horizontal and vertical guides for tiling, wall construction, cabinet installation, and interior finishing. The self-leveling system quickly adjusts to keep lines perfectly straight, saving time during setup. Its powerful green beams remain highly visible even in brighter environments. With a durable design and simple controls, it's suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you want a dependable laser level for everyday building tasks, this model is a solid choice. Number 1. Decteam M04CG 4D 16 lines laser level. The Decteam M04CG stands out as the most powerful laser level on this list. It features 16 green laser lines arranged in a 4D layout, delivering full 360-degree horizontal and vertical coverage for highly precise alignment. The self-leveling system ensures quick setup and accurate results, making it perfect for floor tiling, wall installation, ceiling work, and interior renovation.
A rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides long working time, while the sturdy construction handles demanding job site conditions. With strong visibility and professional-level precision, this laser level is an excellent tool for construction and renovation projects.
Laser levels make construction and home improvement projects faster, easier, and far more accurate. These 5 models offer bright green beams, self-leveling technology, and wide 360-degree coverage for professional results. Whether you're installing tiles, cabinets, or walls, the right laser level can save time and effort. Check the links in the description for prices and details and let us know which model you like the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews.